Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a super simple poncho. Really, you don't need a pattern to make this poncho, but sometimes just seeing a project is inspiration, and sometimes the simplest stitches wind up being the most attractive finished garment. So I'm going to show you today how to make this very easy crocheted poncho using just a double crochet stitch and getting detail by just alternating solid color and variegated color yarn. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free, or on Etsy. HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. Start with a slip knot, and you're going to work a chain any amount for the width that you would like your poncho to be, usually from elbow to elbow. And after you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, double crochet. And you're going to double crochet in every stitch all the way across the row. Like that, all the way across the row. After you've worked all the way across the row, at the end of the row, you're going to chain 2 and turn. And that will not count as a stitch. So I'm going to double crochet in that first stitch and every stitch all the way across the row. Like that. Like that, and you just keep repeating that row over and over until the poncho is as long as you would like it to be from your shoulder to the bottom hem. And I worked 10 rows in a solid color and 4 rows in a variegated color. And I just continue to do that. 10 rows in a solid color, 4 rows in a variegated color, and 10 rows in a solid color, 4 rows in a variegated color, and then I ended with 1 row in the solid color again. And you're going to make 2 sections like this, and then you're going to join them at the shoulders. And after sewing the top shoulder seam, you could either join the 2 sides by sewing or slip stitching, or you could just sew a button on to connect the front and the back. Like that. And that's all you need to know to be able to crochet this very easy poncho. And in this poncho, there are 10 rows in turquoise, 4 rows in a variegated color, 10 of turquoise, 4 in a variegated color, 10 of turquoise, 4 in a variegated color, and then 1 last row in turquoise. And then you can add tassels or a fringe. So to do that, I just wound my yarn around a notebook and cut them on the bottom like that. And then I'm going to use 4 strands. And to add easy tassels, I've got my 4 strands of yarn, and I'm going to pick a stitch, and I'm going to pull the 4 strands through. So I pulled all the strands through that one stitch, and I pulled them evenly, and then I'm going to tie a square knot. Like that. And then take another strand and tie a square knot right below to bring all these strands together, and trim the tassel evenly along the bottom like that. And then I skipped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I made my next tassel into the space, into the bottom of the 6th double crochet. And so that's how you can add very easy tassels along the bottom of your poncho. If you'd rather add fringe, then you're going to fold your yarn and pull the fold through like that, and then pull the ends through that loop, and then that's how you add a fringe. And if you like this video, perhaps you'd like some of the other poncho patterns that I have on my channel. And here are a few of them, and I'm going to put a link below in the comments, and that will bring you directly to my collection of poncho patterns. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.